Welcome back, students. In this class we continue pair of linear equation in two variables MCQ second part. Here the first question is, if a pair of linear equation is consistent, then the lines are. So if the pair of linear equation is consistent, the lines are. Four options are given: intersecting or coincident, B is parallel, C is perpendicular, and D is none. So which is here the option is intersecting or coincident. That is the option, correct option. Next question. In one linear equation, the equation is given 2x plus 6y is equal to 9 is given. Write the other linear equation such that geometrical representation of the pair is formed. So here one equation is given, we have to find out the another equation. So there are two conditions here, that is intersecting lines and coincident lines. So for these two equations we have to form. So we'll see the first part. So we have given this equation, that is 2x plus 6y is equal to 9. Now for this, the condition to make intersecting lines will take, this one is the given equation, 2x plus 6y is equal to 9. Then we'll take the equation such that this condition holds good. Therefore 3x minus 7y is equal to 11. This is the equation for the first condition. So we'll see what in the first condition. A1 is equal to 2, B1 is equal to 6, C1 is equal to 9. So next part is, that is in this equation what is A2? Second equation we have taken, A2 is 3, B2 is equal to minus 7 and C2 is equal to 11. So we'll see, therefore A1 by A2, therefore I'll write here, that is A1 by A2 is equal to how much? 2 by 3, and B1 by B2 is equal to 6 by 7. Therefore we have the condition that we proved the condition A1 by A2 not equal to B1 by B2. This is for the first case, that is the intersecting lines. Now we finish this. Next we move on to the second condition, that is coincident lines. Coincident lines, we have taken one more equation. This is the given equation, that is 2x plus 6y is equal to 9. Next one, this one, that is 4x plus 12y is equal to 18 is the another equation. Now we'll write this one right here, that is A1 is equal to 2, B1 is equal to 6 and C1 is equal to 9. Similarly A2 is equal to here, A2 is equal to 4, B2 is equal to 12 and C2 is equal to 18. So this is here. After this we'll see A1 by A2. A1 by A2 is 2 by 4, 1, 2. 1 by 2 we get. Next we'll see B1 by B2, that is B1 by B2 is equal to 6 by 12. 1 2's are. Therefore we are getting 1 by 2. Similarly third case, C1 by C2 is equal to 9 by 18. Therefore how much we are getting? 9 by 18 means 1 and 2, 1 by 2. So in all the cases we are getting, that is, see, I'll write A1 by A2 is equal to B1 by B2 is equal to C1 by C2. So that is for coincident lines. We are getting 1 by 2 equal to 1 by 2 equal to 1 by 2. So this is the answer for the second question. We took the two equations and satisfied. They have given only one equation. We constructed other two equations and found out the condition is true. So intersecting lines and coincident lines. So next we move to the next question, that is the third one. Third one, find the values of x and y in the given rectangle. So the rectangle is given here. See, to find the values of x and y we have to find out. So what happens first, since in the rectangle opposite sides are equal, so first we have to take, that is 3x plus y is equal to 7, and this one equal to this one, opposite sides. Next, these two, that is x plus 3y is equal to 13. So now what happens, we have to just solve this equation. So for this, finding x and y, we have 3. We'll just multiply the, I'll take this as equation 1 and this one as equation 2. So I'll solve here. Multiply, that is equation 1 into how much, that is 3. Equation 1 is multiplying by 3. So what happens, and equation 2 multiply by 1. So now what happens, first equation we write 3x, 3 into 3, first we have to write 9. First is 9 plus 3y is equal to 3 sevens are 21. So multiplying the equation 1 with 30. Next, keep the equation second one multiply by 1 as it is, plus 3y is equal to 13. So now we have to subtract this. Subtracting this, minus will get, this gets eliminated, then 9 minus x will become 8x, which is equal to, that is how much, that is 12 minus, that is 20 minus 13 will become how much, 17. 17 and one more is there, 21, 3, 10, 20. So no, 13 means this one is 7. 7 we are getting, plus 1 is equal to 8. We get, that is 21 minus 13 is equal to 8 we are getting. Write down here 8. Therefore x is equal to 8 by 8. Cancel this, we get 1. X is equal to 1 we got. Now next step is substitute x is equal to in equation 1. Equation 1 to find out y. Therefore 3x plus this one 1 I will substitute here, plus y is equal to 7. Therefore we get 3 plus y is equal to 7. Therefore y is equal to 7 minus 3. Then y is equal to 4. Finally what we are getting? We are getting x is equal to 1 and y is equal to 4 is the answer. So these are all exam problems. Concentrate on this. These will appear in your exams. Maybe they change the equations, that's all. So next is determine the values of P and Q so that the following system of linear equation have infinite number of solutions. So here we have to find out the system of linear equation, infinite number of solutions. So we have to find out values of P and Q. So for this, for infinite number of solutions, we have number of solutions. We have how much? A1 by A2 is equal to B1 by B2 is equal to C1 by C2. Therefore, what are A1 here? Just write down. A1 is equal to 2P minus 1. B1 is equal to 3. C1 is equal to minus 5. Similarly, A2 is equal to 3. B2 is equal to Q minus 1. And C2 is equal to minus 2. So now what happens? This one we have to substitute and see. First take A1 by A2. A1 by A2 is equal to, that is 2 P1 by P2 by 3. Therefore next is B1 by B2. B1 by B2 I'll write like this. What is B1? 3 by, that is Q minus 1. Next C1 by C2 is equal to minus 5 by minus 2. Minus minus cancels. So after this, next step is take this one and this one, that is A1 by A2 and B1 by B2. Therefore 2P minus 1 by 3 is equal to 3 by Q minus 1. Cross multiply. After cross multiply, what we get is 3 by this one into, I will take this one, since here variable is there, we will take this one and C. So I have done a mistake here, 5 by 2. So since two variables are there, we have to take one which does not have the variable. So this one, then cross multiply. After this, 2 into 2P minus 1 is equal to 15. Therefore simplify this, 4P minus 2 is equal to 15. Therefore 4P is equal to, that is 15 plus 2. Finally P is equal to, 4P is 17. P is equal to 17 by 4. So P we found out. Next we'll take another equation. Which one? I'll write here. So again we'll take, that is this one, that is B1 by B2 is equal to C1 by C2. Now cross multiply. I'll write here. Therefore 3 into 6, 3 2s are 6, then 5 into, what is this? Q. This is Q. Q minus 1. Therefore 6 is equal to, simplify this, 5Q minus 5. Therefore this one, bring these to this side, this. So 5Q is equal to, this one becomes minus 6 minus 5. This also minus. So now 5Q is equal to 6 plus how much? This one, 6 plus 5 is equal to 11. Minus 11 is the answer. Minus minus cancel. Q is equal to 11 by 5. So we got P is 17 by 4 and Q as 11 by 5. So next we have the pair of equations x is equal to A and y is equal to B. Graphically represent the lines which are. So when this is the condition, graphically represents intersecting at AB, x will be A, y will be B. So therefore it will intersect at AB. Next option is intersecting at BA. Next is parallel when coincident. The answer here is when x is equal to A, y is equal to B, intersecting at A and B. So this is the next one. We move on to the fifth. This completes the fifth. We move on to sixth one. Sixth problem we have, that is find P if the system of equations px plus 3y plus 3 minus p is equal to 0, 12x plus py minus p is equal to 0 as infinitely many solution. Continuing the question, as I have left out this line, infinitely many solutions. Many solutions. So for this one, what we have to do, A1 is equal to P, B1 is equal to 3, C1 is equal to how much? That is 3 minus P. Therefore next is A2 is equal to 12 B2 is equal to 9, then C2 is equal to minus P. Now what happens, we have to find out, that is A1 by A2. Similarly, what is A1 by P by 12 is equal to B1 by B2, 3 by P is equal to C1 is minus 3 by P by minus P. So now what happens, we have to take these two. These two first we'll take, then we will get P by 12 is equal to 3 by P. Cross multiply, then what happens, P square. P square is equal to 36 we get. Therefore P is equal to 6. So next we have another one is, that is 3 by these two and these two. 3 by P is equal to 3 minus P by minus P. Now cross multiply this, we get minus 3P is equal to P into 3 minus P. So minus 3P is equal to 3P minus P square. Therefore write it in the proper form, that is P square minus 3P minus 3P again minus 3P is there, is equal to how much this will become, P square, add this minus, that is 6P. So finally how we can write this one, we have to solve in this type, that is P square minus 6P is equal to 0. Then take P common, P minus 6 is equal to 0. Therefore P is equal to 0 and P is equal to 6. So this is the answer, and we have to write or. P is equal to 0 or P is equal to 6. This is the solution for the sixth one. We move on to the seventh question. The angles of the triangles AB are given as 40 degree and the difference between the two A and B is given as 30 degree. Then find the values of the AB. So difference given is A we don't know, B we don't know, and C is given as 40 degrees. So, therefore difference, that is x minus y is equal to 30 degree is given. Therefore we know sum of the angles of all the angles of the triangle is equal to 180 degrees. So 180 degrees. So substitute A plus B plus, here C is 40, then we get 180, then A plus B will become 180 minus 40, which is equal to 140 degree. Now next step is, we got A plus B here. So we'll take this one is A minus B. A minus B we are taking. Therefore A plus B is equal to 140. A minus B is equal to how much? 30 degrees. Cancel this, add this, cancel this, we will get 2A is equal to 170 degrees. Therefore A is equal to 2 ones are to 85. So we are getting A as 85 degree. Next, substitute. This one we take equation 1 and this one we take equation 2. Substitute A is equal to 85 in equation 1. So what happens? A plus B is equal to 140. Then A is 85 degree plus B is equal to 140. Therefore B is equal to 140 minus 85. Therefore B is equal to 55 degrees. So this will become minus, this also minus. So here minus cancels. When this goes this side, this goes this side, minus cancels. Minus B, then this one goes here. So this one is okay, this one is correct. B is here only. This one goes this side. 40 minus 85 is 50. Therefore we got as A as 85, B as 55 and C as they have given 40. Add all this, we'll get, that is 85 plus 55 degrees plus 30 plus 40 degrees, which will be equal to 180. Add up, we'll get sum of the angles, measure of angles of triangles. So this we completed this part, that is MCQ second part. If you have any doubt, comment me, subscribe my channel, like, share all the videos. Thank you.